Welcome to your favorite channel, Chemistry Learning Made Easy. Video. I will discuss the commonly used items in day-to-day life which is completely driven by chemistry. Sure, I will show the organic compounds which is present in fruits and vegetables which we commonly consume almost every day. Video. I will discuss about the chemistry of lemon, which in Hindi known as nambu. Let us start. Seemed like a good time to look at the chemistry behind the sour test of the humble lemon. Citric acid is already well known. It even has its own E number, E330. You will think, what the heck E numbers? Oh, basically E is nothing serious and it stands for Europe, are codes for substances used as food additives for use within the European Union, EU. However, a couple of other acid compounds are also contributors towards the chemical makeup of a lemon. One of these is malic acid, a compound that also has its own E number, E296. Citric acid is present in much higher quantities than malic acid and is the main contributor to the lemon's sour taste. However, malic acid is present in around 5% of the concentration of citric acid. It is also found in apples and cherries, and responsible for aspects of their flavor. Another acid present in lemons, and one with which citric acid is occasionally confused, is ascorbic acid, or vitamin C. Vitamin C levels in a lemon, at around 50 milligrams per 100 grams, are on a par with those of an orange, and significantly higher than those in a lime, 29 mg/100 g. Last fact in particular is one that the British Navy discovered belatedly to their detriment in the early 1900s. C is required by the body to produce collagen, the main protein of connective tissues in animals. Scurvy is a disease caused by a lack of vitamin C, the symptoms of which include spots, bleeding gums, loss of teeth, jaundice, fever, and eventual death. The disease was a major problem for seafarers, who would spend months at sea, and without a supply of fresh citrus fruit to supplement their vitamin C levels often succumb to scurvy. In the 1700s, physicians had, however, discovered that citrus fruits were an efficient cure for the disease, and in the late 1700s all Royal Navy ships were required to serve lemon juice in rations. With this recommendation, a lack of awareness of vitamin C, and the differing vitamin C content of lemons and limes, meant scurvy again became an issue in the early 1900s. Royal Navy began to start substituting lime juice for lemon juice. As they could source these from within the British colonies, they did so under the assumption that the acidity of lemons was what warded off scurvy, and as limes were more acidic, it followed that they would be equally effective. Dire consequences, with several Arctic expeditions succumbing to scurvy due to the failure of lime juice to provide enough vitamin C. The confusion this caused was not fully resolved until the eventual isolation and discovery of vitamin C by the Hungarian Albert Szent-Györgyi in 1932. Vitamin C was actually named after its scurvy-preventing abilities. The name, ascorbic acid, comes from antiscorbutic, a term used to refer to substances preventing scurvy. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for our future video update.